Good day, this is a.j.farzad with successwithloa.blogspot.com, and you can see most of my posts and videos on my Facebook page. Good day, this is a.j.farzad with successwithloa.blogspot.com, and in addition to putting this video blog on, I'm actually holding a contest entitled "Where in the World is AJ?" So the first person, and here are the rules, be specific, the first person that indicates under my Facebook post of this blog where I am and it's correct will get a one hour consultation with me to ask anything they want about coaching, law of attraction, etc., etc. Okay, so this blog is leadership and the law of attraction, and as I'm walking around you will get clues as to where I am. Okay, again, whether you see this on Twitter or you see it on LinkedIn, you have to go to the Facebook link, and under this post I usually pin it to the top of the Facebook page, which is Success with LOA. So facebook.com/Success with LOA. It'll be pinned and you need to comment underneath it, and obviously the first comment that is correct will win the prize. Okay, so law of attraction and leadership is where we're gonna start this video blog. Too noisy, so I'm gonna go somewhere else and continue. Okay, I'm back. So, law of attraction and leadership. Over the course of my career, I've been in many leadership classes and been taught what exactly leadership, be it situational leadership, be it emotional intelligence, be it do it my way or the highway. And although those courses have been extremely helpful, they leave one major part out, and that's where the law of attraction comes in. So this is not a specific blog or video about how to be a leader, but if you happen to be in that position or you're wanting to be in that position, how do you use the law of attraction to increase your effectiveness as a leader and achieve more success? So, we used to believe that you can't use the law of attraction for other people, and that is absolutely correct. You cannot want for someone else something. So that, where does that lead us? If you want your team to succeed, how do you go ahead and lead them? You can, however, concentrate and visualize on the general success of the team, and specifically on your team members. When you start coaching someone that, for example, is new in sales, let's say, and you visualize their success in encounters with the customer, if that visualization is bringing you a negative gut feeling, that means that you are too specific. So what you need to then concentrate on is something that would bring a feeling of joy, happiness, optimism, hope with respect to your candidate, with respect to your team member. And it does not have to be specific to this sales scenario or a sales encounter. In fact, if those situations, if those scenarios will create a negative emotion for you, you need to turn it around and become generalized. How do you do that? You can start concentrating on the good characteristics of this person. If you can come up with a situation where this team member or the team as a whole has succeeded, and you can bring up the emotions and the feelings of that success and joy, you're now attracting that vibration of success within that person, within the team, and you're raising your vibration. Since most people are going on by default, the fact that you are taking the bull by the horn and creating a higher vibration, you are manifesting, in essence, you are controlling the situation. You are increasing the effectiveness of your team members, your sales reps, your entire company and organization. And when you start feeling good, you want to go ahead and milk that feeling for as long as possible. And as you start feeling good and you're milking this situation and you're getting better and better at visualizing and creating a higher vibration, you can then start becoming more and more specific and pay close attention to how you feel. It is the feeling, not the words, remember. So your thoughts will create a feeling. The feeling is what gives you an indication of, are you manifesting or are you resisting? Are you blocking or are you bringing in what you want? So as you get more and more specific, for example, you can go, this sales rep is a great human being. Maybe they have lots of interests and community services, etc., that you admire and you appreciate about them. So then we're going to go and go a little bit more specific. It was a good hire. Their resume was fantastic. Now we're getting specific into the job. They were great in their training classes. They consistently achieved higher and higher marks. They created nice responses in the scenarios and the sales. So if that still feels good, then you can go. When I traveled with them in the field and I observed them with the customer, they built rapport quickly. They used the features and benefits to their advantage. They did not just talk, they listened to the customer. Now, let's say that when you say you visualize or you say to yourself, or better yet, you're writing this down, they listen to the customer, a negative feeling comes into your gut reaction because perhaps the person didn't do that. That's where you now stop and you come back out. You bring your lens back to more general. And you go back and you milk the feeling of where you were last. You concentrate on the feeling that was good for 17 seconds. And you concentrate more and you concentrate more. And within about 68 seconds, based on what Abraham Hicks tells us, another thought should be coming in to give you the same emotions that you are feeling now. That's why you want that feeling to be good. So as soon as you start feeling negative, you want to become more generalized. Get the good feeling, milk the good feeling for at least a minute to 2 minutes, then become a little bit more specific until you can go ahead and consistently feel good about the situation. And if it feels bad, you want to become more generalized. Once you do this, you're raising your vibration, and pretty soon you're going to be manifesting what you want to see in the specific employees and what you want to see in your team, and you're going to bring a team success in addition to your own success. I hope this makes sense. I welcome any comments that you may have, any experience that you may have with this, and as always, to your success.